There are many advantages to doing this. First of all, it's carbon neutral, and second of all, it's very, very cheap, so perfect for money saving. So in this video I'm just going to go over selecting a suitable vehicle and really just explaining how easy it is to run if you have the right car. So for example, the easiest way to determine if a car is suitable is to go on biomotors.co.uk, and I will use an example of a car I just bought. So we're going to go Vauxhall Opel. We're going to look for a Corsa 1.5D, which is this one here, and we can see here it says one tank kit on the right hand side. Now if it's a one tank kit, that generally means that it will run without issues just on neat vegetable oil, no conversion needed. So we can see the car's suitable. So the car I actually bought was here. I won it for £346 with 37,000 genuine miles, one owner from new, and it's a 1995 car, so indirect injection, hence why the one tank kit is suitable. So with this car I can just simply pour vegetable oil directly in the tank. There may be some issues initially with the vegetable oil picking up dirt, etc. from the bottom of the fuel tank. So my advice would be to fit a small inline filter just prior to the primary filter, just to catch any of this additional gunk. It's easier to change than the standard filter. In terms of buying your vegetable oil, I would advise just using eBay. If you're lucky enough to have shops locally where you could collect used vegetable oil and filter it yourself, obviously this is the cheapest option. However, the easiest option is to just buy already filtered or out of date oil. That's what I prefer to do. I recently bought 1,200 litres of out of date vegetable oil for around 30 to 35p a litre. So my car is achieving around 65 to the gallon. So you know, it's 3 to 4 times cheaper than regular diesel. So in essence I'm getting 3 to 4 times the MPG, so you know, 180 to 260 miles to the gallon equivalent, which is better than the Vauxhall Ampera, etc. And this car costs £346. So go green, run your car on vegetable oil. It may be a bit hard to start in the winter, in the cold mornings, so I definitely recommend putting some petrol in. Around 10% is normally sufficient in the UK. If you are running the car in colder climates, maybe even higher, up to sort of 20%. But you just really have to experiment and see what works for you. I definitely don't recommend 100% vegetable oil any lower than like 5 degrees, because it just gets too viscous. It's too thick, the car struggles to start, and it's just not good for the engine. So around 10% as the temperature starts coming down. Keep a spare fuel filter in the car, inline and standard fuel filter, and really that's all you need. Obviously make sure your glow plug system's in good condition. Can help to cycle the glow plugs more than once on very cold mornings if you are experiencing starting issues. Otherwise just bang it in your tank and off you go. Money saving. If you'd like any more videos or have any interests you'd like to discuss, then please comment below and I will